Yeah, in the last 2 years, Waldom has, say, written Molex a check for over $17 million. So and that goes right to the bottom line, by the way.
$17 million.
That's all been written off, so that goes right to our bottom line.
And that would have been 17 million that went to the landfill, right?
Exactly.
It's one way to look at it, right?
Sure, right?
I was really surprised that we've seen almost 30,000 parts returned through the scrap recovery program this year to date, through the end of September. So I was pleasantly surprised, and the program is yielding a great benefit. I think we're north of $200 million managed through the program since inception. So a very successful program.
Waldom, based on some of the things you just talked about, Waldom is playing a very key role. The key role of helping, smooth out the ebbs and flows of supply and demand. If the distributor has bought too much and they're over their returns privileges with the manufacturer, the Waldom provides that relief valve, if you will, so the inventory doesn't get thrown out or the inventory gets returned. It stays in the channel, and when it's sold, as you know, there's a benefit to the manufacturer, certainly a benefit to the distributor in get the inventory off the shelf. Certainly there's a big benefit in environmental, as we talked about earlier, keeping the product out of landfill. But also the role that Waldom plays is to keep that good inventory out of what we call the gray market.
But I think that with Don Akery coming aboard and the closer relationship of our group, I've become more aware of your capabilities on a number of fronts, whether it's selling products that I don't have, using your inventory, but also using you as a way to create more cash for our company by liquidating products that have become obsolete or that we're not selling and that we can't return or otherwise dispose of. So that's been really valuable.
We're taking product away from the landfill, product that would have been scrapped in field, as long as it's still within our date codes and standards that we work on together, so we know that all the inventory that comes back is in good sellable condition. We're giving it a new home, and it's finding its way to the customers who need it. It really has been a big value add for us and Waldom. I think a great partnership.
I enjoyed presenting the program to people when I was with Waldom. I think in the 3 years I was there, I think 8 or 10 of your current line card signed on to the program because they saw the value, and it was really quite fun pitching it. Sometimes you learn, though, it's a slow slog, and you scratch your head saying, why are they not doing this?
It allows our products to have a second chance. And with your model, it stays in inventory for more extended period of time, so that they, at some point, if the customer do need that in a different market situation, they're able to get that part number and to avoid that product to end up somewhere else it's going to create some burden to planet Earth. So I think we see a lot of value in that, and certainly, again, it fits very well into our entire distribution ecosystem when it comes into the ESG side of things. So.